Welcome to unit number 1112, located at 60 Panatella Street, Northwest. This fantastic two-bedroom is located on the main floor. The master bedroom has its own ensuite, and then you have also a den. Go ahead and take a look. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of unit number 1112. This beautiful condo is located close to schools, great amenities, shopping, Tim Hortons. If you need any more information, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Barb, Desautels, CIR Realty, 403-667-9869.